What if one of the most powerful things you can do for your strength and longevity has nothing to do with the gym? What if it happens in your kitchen? Because before strength is built with a dumbbell, it's built with a fork. You know, and in a world that makes convenience easier than ever, choosing real food has become quietly revolutionary. Hi, I'm Wendy. I help women over 50 rebuild strength, confidence, and vitality with simple fitness and longevity strategies that fit real life. Today, we're talking about something that rarely gets discussed in the fitness circles: why reclaiming simple home cooking might be one of the highest leverage things you can do for healthy aging. I'm not here to shame anybody, because I've certainly leaned on convenient foods plenty of times myself. But here's what I've observed after years of coaching women. When we outsource most of our meals, we also outsource control over the building blocks our bodies need, especially protein and real nutrients that become important after menopause. Home cooking doesn't have to mean organic meals or hours in the kitchen. It means choosing real food ingredients more often than packaged ones. You know, when we cook meals ourselves, we tend to eat more protein without thinking about it. We naturally include more vegetables and fewer ultra-processed foods. We feel more satisfied and in control, and we slow down just enough to support our nervous system. This isn't about perfection or becoming a chef. It's about quietly voting for the strong, capable woman we want to be in the years ahead. The kitchen may be one of the most overlooked rooms in the house when it comes to building the skills that support longevity and healthy aging. So this week, pick one easy to go meal and make it twice. So here's a couple of examples. Make scrambled eggs with vegetables, a simple stir-fried chicken, or maybe salmon with roasted veggies and olive oil. Do it the same way both times so it becomes effortless. Small, repeatable actions are what rebuild our habits and our health. Cooking isn't about being perfect. It's about participation. It's about showing up for your future self in the simplest possible way. If you'd like a clear, supportive starting point, I invite you to download your copy of my free 5-step plan of strength and longevity. Use the link in the description. And if this shifted how you see your kitchen, please like, subscribe, and share it with a woman who needs this encouragement, because strength protects independence. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Thanks for being here.